So Cody, what I'm going to be sending you is a router with a fixture on here. These little plugs are a spin weld plug. They simply get attached to the router. You put it up against the hole. Let it set. And Cody, I'm going to send you a rasp. There you go.